Good morning, everybody. I'm going to bring you along on our day today, show you what I eat, all the different things. So this morning I have to run Talia. She's going on a retreat thing, so I have to run her over and drop her off. So since we're going to be out this morning, I thought after we drop off Talia, I will take the other kids to get some exercise. There is a trail that's actually just an old road that's not in use anymore, that you can ride bikes and run and get all kinds of different exercise on. So we're going to go over there and I'm going to try to get a jog in. After that, we may go to the farmer's market and we'll just bring you along whatever adventures we decide to go on. I already had some coffee earlier this morning, but since I'm going to go exercise, I'm going to mix up some of my pre-workout, and I actually like mixing the Energized Reds and the True Endurance pre-workout, so that'll give me an edge on my jog. I'm not super hungry yet. I am going to try to exercise without eating before we go, but I am taking these along just in case I do get hungry while we're out. I am also going to mix up some electrolytes and take those as well. So we're home now. Things did not quite go as planned. I thought since it wasn't supposed to be rainy that we'd be fine on, the trail doing some exercise. It was so windy and the wind was so cold. Like we got out of the car and we started getting the bikes and stuff out and the kids are like, this is not happening. And I was like, we can do it. We can do it. And then after a couple minutes, I was like, no, this is not happening. The wind has been nuts. And so it was super cold and super windy. And so we scrapped the whole thing. I had to, go into town to take Talia anyway. So it wasn't, a wasted trip. We did go over to the farmer's market, but of course it was cold and windy there too. So we walked around a little bit, and that was it. It was the kids were having a rough time. So anyways, we are home now. So I did not get my workout in, but we're going to make the best of the day anyway. I had one of those chopsticks while we were driving, and I also got a coffee while we were out. So that's what I've had. So I've had coffee and a chopstick so far, and it's, I think it's getting close to 11. So I'm probably going to have a pretty big lunch here pretty soon. And I will show you that when I get there. Getting pretty hungry for a real meal, so I am going to cook up some burgers. This is just some ground beef from one of the half cows that we got not that long ago. So I don't know for sure what percentage of fat, but I guess it's like 80-20. That's my guess. And then I'm going to cook up some eggs, and so I'm just going to have burger and eggs. My secret ingredient for burgers is Frank's Red Hot sauce. I put a couple tablespoons in. This is like a 2-pound thing of burger. And so I put a couple tablespoons in, and that just adds moisture to it. The flavor, fantastic secret ingredient. I'm also going to add in some smoked salt, black pepper, some garlic, and some onion. All right, here is my breakfast / lunch. Each of the burger patties is about 1/4 pound, so got 2 of those and 2 fried eggs. I got a couple deliveries, so I wanted to open these up and show you guys what I got. This first one here is from RX Sugar. I have talked about their maple syrup that I love, and then more recently I did a taste test of their Swelthy snack bars. They have a chocolate bar and a caramel chocolate bar, and we did a taste test on a live stream a while back. Anyways, they just came out with 2 new flavors of those, and the kids like these too. So it's It's one of those treats that I'm very happy that my kids enjoy and that they can have sometimes. So they sent me a couple of these new ones. The first one is vanilla cream, also mint brownie. That looks really good. So the carbs on these are 18 for total carbs, but 10 of them are allulose, and then 8 of them are dietary fiber. Then this next box is my latest order from Marigold Foods. So I did a taste test video a while back for their strawberry sundae, whey protein isolate, and then also the hot cocoa collagen, and did the giveaway of the vanilla coffee that they have. So what I got this time is some more of the whey isolate. I really like their whey isolate, so I got the chocolate malt flavor, and then also the creamy vanilla. I will be using these in different recipes, but I also primarily will probably be using them as added protein when I make a meal shake, like a keto chow. I love adding extra protein. I do better if I have at least 30 to 40 grams of protein in my meal. So adding a scoop of one of these is great. And having multiple different flavor options is great because then I can mix and match flavors that are going to go well together. So chocolate malt and creamy vanilla. And then here's something else that I'm interested to try. Marigold Foods also has bars. So these are some dessert bars. I really like that Marigold offers these like packs where you can just try different flavors instead of like having to buy an entire box of one kind, not knowing if you're going to like it or not. So you can get these like sampler packs. They also have sampler packs of their different collagen and whey. So you can, not have to buy an entire bag, not knowing if you'll like it, and you can test it out, which I love. Okay, so we have Pure Joy, cookie dough, and Texas pecan praline. Let's see, what is Pure Joy here? So the ingredients on this one is whey isolate, filtered water, chocolate, coconut, dark chocolate, and they have the ingredients there, organic flavors, coconut oil, coconut nectar. So it does have a little bit of like coconut sugar, but it is still keto friendly, so it's very low. Grass-fed ghee, stevia extract, allulose, lecithin, sunflower lecithin, and salt. And love, of course. So the calories are 255, and then the carbs are 14 total, but 6 grams of fiber and 5 grams of allulose. So what does that make? 3 net carbs, 2.5 grams of sugar, and 21 grams of protein. That's a good bunch of protein. I like that. So I really like that these are not very, very nut heavy. Sometimes like I'm trying to reduce my nut intake, and so to have a bar option that's not primarily almonds or something like that is kind of nice to have. So that one will be good. So Pure Joy, I guess, is like a chocolate chip, maybe chocolate chip coconut type flavor. And then cookie dough. I'm not going to go over all of the ingredients on all of them, but they are similar. You do want to check if you have different sensitivities, because they do have some different ingredients depending on the flavor, of course. So this one has maple syrup in it from the pecan praline flavor. So it has a total of 5 sugars. So the 5 sugars are the 5 net carbs if you minus out the 4 grams of fiber. So yeah, just check the ingredients. But I do love that whey protein is the top ingredient and that the protein count is very high for the bars. I got everything out and cut up. I can tell you everything smells delicious. I'm gonna taste the Swelthies sticks first. So this is the chocolate brownie one. So this is not meant to be like a meal replacement or a protein bar or anything. They're just like dessert snack chocolatey things. So that's the mint brownie there, nice and smooth on the inside. So I'm gonna do a taste test of that one. Very chewy, like a caramel. Like the filling is chewy like a caramel. Now the vanilla. There's the center of that one. I do like the flavor on that one. I feel like it's a little bit buttery or caramely, and like the vanilla comes through. That one's quite delicious as well. So this is the cookie dough. That's what it looks like. Lots of chocolate chips. I love that. So I am gonna taste that one real quick. The taste on that one is really good. It's, it's whey protein, so it's like chewy, like a protein bar. The flavor is really good. I really like the flavor. And the chew, and there's enough chocolate chips. It's delicious. Okay. Now onto the Pure Joy, and you can see the coconut in there and the chocolate chips on top. We're gonna try that one. It's still chewy, of course, because of the protein, but with the coconut in there, it gets a little bit different of a texture. It's really good if you like coconut and chocolate together. You're gonna love these. These are really good. All right, last one, Texas Pecan Praline. It smells so good. This is the one that has maple syrup in it, so you can smell it. It smells delicious. Really nice pecan flavor and like the sweetness is perfect. I think of the three of the marigold ones, I think my favorite is the pecan praline. It's really good. So I do have discount codes for both RX Sugar and for Marigold Foods. So if you're interested in trying any of their products, I will leave the link and the coupon codes down in the description. It's about 3 o'clock and I'm getting hungry, but I'm not wanting to have a whole meal right now because I'd rather just have dinner a little bit later. So I'm having a snack. This is some Kerrygold Irish cheddar, and this is just a couple of chicken sausages that were left over from breakfast. Here is what I'm having for dinner. I was craving one of the sub in a tub from Jersey Mike's, and so I decided to recreate it best I could. So I have lettuce, I have smoked turkey, and some salami, and some avocado, black olives, Swiss cheese, and then I accidentally got hot banana peppers. I meant to get mild. I'm still gonna have them. Hopefully it won't be too spicy for me, but hot banana peppers, salt and pepper, and then olive oil and some apple cider vinegar. Last thing I'm going to have this evening is a cup of decaf coffee with some heavy cream, and this is where I'm just going to go ahead and leave the video. Thanks for hanging out with me today and joining me on this What I Eat in a Day vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you again in the next one.
Mom, I always finish my car in my bag. That's, Mom, look, doesn't the hands look like pickles?
Yeah, they do. Is he a dog trainer?
Yes.
Yeah. Can I see the little tiny dog that looks like baby Izzy? Oh, here it is.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
And here's the other dog.
Focus. There it is. Oh my goodness, it just looks like baby Izzy. And that's the mommy? Is that the Izzy mommy?
Yes.
So cute. Are you ready for some taste tests?
Yes.
Okay, so this, hey, you're not allowed to do the taste test. Izzy, no taste test for you.
No testers.
Okay, so this is the vanilla cream Swelfie stick. Remember those bars that you like? The chocolate one and the caramel one? Remember those? This is a new one that's vanilla flavor inside.
Okay. That's good.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, now you got to chew it all up, and then you have to try this one that's mint brownie. That sounds good, huh? Mm-hmm. Do you like mint? Yeah, pretty well? Okay.
Oh, that's squishy and it's sticky.
Yeah, it's like caramely. Mint brownie.
It would just stick on my hand. That's good.
You like that one?
Yeah, it tastes really minty.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you tried the vanilla and you tried the mint brownie. Which one did you like the best? Which one?
This one.
Mint? The mint one? Yeah, that one was really good.
Sticky.
Sticky and delicious.
Yeah.
Okay, and how many thumbs up do you give those?
I give them, I think a 4.
A 4 out of
5.
4 out of 5. All right, sounds good. Okay, this one is cookie dough. It's these ones right here. Try that one.
Cookie dough. That's very good to chew up.
It's very chewy.
Yeah.
Good to chew. Okay.
That's very decent.
Pretty decent. Okay. Okay, so this one is the chocolate chip coconut, but this one doesn't have very many chocolate chips. This one has a bunch.
I'm kind of full of chocolate chip, a bunch of chocolate.
Oh, okay. So you want to try the one with no chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
It's just a little bit.
Yeah, it just has a little bit. Do you like coconut?
I don't really like coconut. It's a little good, but I don't like the coconut.
Izzy.
I don't really like.
You don't like the coconut flavor?
Yeah, because I don't like coconut.
Okay. All right. That's good to know. All right. This last one after you finish that bite is the pecan praline, which is like maple pecan. Just super good. And it doesn't have chocolate. Since you're full of chocolate, then that'll be fine.
Have you had them?
I did. I tried them all. I like them. I think the pecan praline is my favorite.
Yeah. After this, I'm going to be done eating.
Yeah, because you're all full. Okay, so for these 3, which one did you like the best? The cookie dough, the coconut chocolate chip, or the pecan praline?
I go this time.
Cookie dough? Okay. Okay, so how many thumbs up do you give these 3 bars?
Coconut 1?
You didn't like that one. Okay, just 1. Out of 5 again? 1 out of 5?
Just 1 out of 1.
Well, that's actually a high score. 1 out of 5 would be kind of a low score.
Well, 1 out of 5.
Okay, and then what about the cookie dough?
Give it 10,
10?
out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay, we're all over the map here. What about the pecan one? Was it the same as the coconut or better than the coconut?
Same as the coconut.
Okay, so you didn't like those ones, but you like the chocolate chip cookie dough.
Yeah.
But your favorite of all of them is the mint brownie.
Yeah.
Okay,
And this is the stickiest one.
and that's the stickiest one. All right, sticky score 10.